Welcome back again, guys. Yeah, man. Now up here, guys, is where all my mothers that was kidded in November. Yes, look at this nice boy. It was a November born. This one, this dark color one here. She gave me this boy and a female, and this girl here is the first female I get from my Nubian buck. And now she is on her third lot of kids. Yes. Yeah, man. This is Whitey. This female, I actually grow this female on battle. She's on her second lot of kid. And this is, she had two, but I lost one of the female. And this is her daughter. Yes. This is one of my female that had three, and I lost one. Now this is the other two that left from the last. So she had a buck here, and the female was actually the smallest one. And this buck here, this is her mother. Yeah, this girl has two female. Yes. I bought this goat from a tree family. Her mom is a tree dropper, but howsoever she hadn't had three yet. She gave me two female, but her first kid, first female I got from this goat, I'm gonna show you further on. Now this is a graded Nubian. She was bred. She's the daughter of my buck, and I'm gonna show you two nice female that I get from her. I put her to purebred Nubian on one of my friend farm. It's Wetty Nubian farm. Now I'm gonna show you her two female. This is one of them here. Look at her. They all was born in November. Now this one here is for this goat. Alright. Her mom is a quadruped. So her mom had four. However, she's on her third lot of kids now. Yeah, and she had one. Last year she gave me two female. Now she has one. But sometimes, guys, it's not the mother that you bought or have. It's gonna give you three or four. Maybe it's the daughter or the granddaughter, right? So in here, they just came here to feed and I just let them feed. So this is the other Nubian, graded Nubian from the mother that I showed you here. This female is from the boar. She is also from one of the three mothers that have three, and her brother is actually up here. That white one here, he got a broken foot. That one has a foot and mouth, and I'm working on it. I lost the one in the middle. I lost her mom, and she has foot and mouth, so I'm working on it. All right. Yeah. Come on. Now up here, guys, I have my two purebred does that I got from the mother last year. So on the 26th of February gone, they were born on the 26th of February 2024. So they're just a little over a month. They're 13 months old. But as you see, guys, I just feed my goats on greens. Now they're having king grass and chin piece or chin chin or donkey pee pee. Yeah. Now over here, these two are graded, alright? Look at the body, I've got the condition of them. I just feed them on greens. So this one and these two was born on the 26th of February 2024, and she was born on the 2nd of March 2024. Yeah man. And actually she go on heat on her 10 months, she went on heat, but I didn't put her on buck. So now I'm just building them up, flushing them, getting them ready for when they go on heat. I'm looking forward to put them on a purebred buck. Yes, very nice. So guys, done. Out here is my maternity ward, guys. This female, she had two females on the 11th. She has twins too on the 9th, and the purebred mother, she gave me 2 bucks on the 11th. She gave me a female on the 13th. Yes. And this darling down here, she also gave me a female on the 11th. Yes. Now guys, this is my purebred Nubian buck here. Over here is these two mother, daughter. They gave birth she was born in January. Alright. She is the daughter of the boar that I have, and I put her to a purebred boar, and this kid was born in January. Look at her. Look at the chest, look at the feet, look at the wide back. Yeah. And her mother gave birth in February, and I lost a female last week from tetanus. And actually these two actually have the same color variation. Yeah. And this one here, a nice female. She is the daughter of the boar. That's her grandmom. And my Nubian mother that I lost the kid from. Now over here, this female due anytime now. Yes. Now over here, this is my Nubian daughter from the Nubian mother I have. She actually bred by the purebred Nubian from Wetty Nubian farm. That other one over there, she's the daughter of her. And this is the daughter of the 3-drop mother I show you up there that I bought from a 3-drop family. Now she is on her 3rd lot of kids, and this time the size of her on her belly, she actually looked like she's gonna give me 3. So as I told you guys, sometimes it's not the mother give you 3, it's gonna be the daughter or the granddaughter. Yes. So I have mother and daughter here, and and I actually lose 2 kids from this one in November. She's already bred already. Yeah. Yeah, man. Now, guys. Up here I have this one is an earwall. The other 3 was born in July, and you know, some curry goat ram here, looking very good. Yes. Now in here is some of my mothers that gave birth in January, and this one gave birth in the first week of March, and she gave nice little buckling. She's the daughter of a book. She's just over earwall. November gone, she's an earwall, and she's actually bigger than her mom. Yes. So remember, guys, like, share, subscribe, and if you're just watching my channel for the first time, just go ahead and subscribe. Alright, one love.